Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you have been warned. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving to my American brothers and sisters, and to everyone else around the world. Have a great day. Bang, because we have a great show for you today. Bang. Yes, indeed. Have a great day and have a great Thanksgiving. Oh, yeah. This is America. I'm going to be stuffing their face with turkey. Oh, yeah. Turkeys are having it's been a slaughter. But look, let's talk about crypto. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, so first let me tell you the stories. And I got something to show you guys. So, first story, Neo collaborates with TomoChain. Bang, we're going to talk about that. Bakkt, new all-time highs. You just talked about that yesterday. I know, but there are new ones today, so we got to talk about them. Plus, there wasn't much to talk about. It's Thanksgiving, and so these news sites didn't really update that much, so there wasn't any really thing to talk about. But here's what we are going to talk about. Bang! India. 1 in 5 people on Earth, homeboy. Look. Blockchain initiative. We are going to talk about that. And then, so I promised yesterday that I was going to look for my old trade journals. And I do have some. I found some. Actually, these ones are way old. These are before the housing crash. So I have some from, like April 29th, 2008. April 28th, 2008. Like, these are all before the housing crash. So I'm going to show you guys, right? Like what a trade journal is supposed to look like. Well, that's a blank one. And then when you're finished with it, actually, I'm going to read you a trade that I lost. So I'm going to read you this trade here. Yeesh, I got stopped out. But I'm going to read you about this trade here. And I'll show you it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do crypto stuff first. Because not everyone gives a shit about trade journals and, Forex. Or not even just Forex, but just trade journal. Look at these pages are yellow. I don't think if you could see that on the... Nah, they just look white. But right here, they're yellow. That's how old these are. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do the show. Bang, bang, bang. We're going to go all the way to the end. Bang, bang, over and out, all that. Boom, and then boom. And then I'm just going to yap and show you guys about trade journals and, how they work and just what you should look at and stuff like that, all right? Just about them. Whatever, if you want to hang out, hang out. So look, let's get the crypto folk going first. But let's get going. Yeah, the trade journals, man. Holy, I can't believe, man, I should have, I have, hold on. I have like, just, what do you call these? Just like binders of paper, all notes on the market. Like man. That's what you got to do if you want to be real with it. You guys want to make money? Well, it ain't a walk in the park. So look, though, we'll show you later on. So, price of Bitcoin, brothers and sisters, $7,514. But, and when I left you yesterday, we're at $7,005 even. So we've gone up. Yes, nice. What is that? $9? $509 in one day? Yes, nice to see some growth, motherfucker. Growth. Look. Doesn't matter until the tsunami gets here anyway. But look, let me prepare myself. Yeah, I was surprised to find these trade journals, man. Like, these are old ones. You can see they're handwritten. That's when I first started. Like, I didn't even have money. When I first started trading Forex, I didn't even have money for a printer and ink and stuff like that. I had to do that by hand. Yeah, dogs. You've heard the story already. Told you when I first started, right? I was sleeping on a mattress on the floor in a little one-bedroom apartment in San Francisco, slapping cockroaches with my bare hand. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. And then the housing crash came. That changed my whole life right there. I made $23,000 in one night. Bang! And just kept rocking and rolling ever since then. But yeah, this is what the level was. Drawing shit with my bare hands, motherfucker. That's the dedication I had. That's the level. I didn't fuck around. I'm going to fucking learn to be a elite trader or die trying. But look, we'll talk about that later on in the show. Bang. After the show. Well, after the crypto part. Look, top 10 today, brothers. Look, usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SVN, Stellar still holding on to number 10. Market moves of the day, brothers. Some guy said, what did he say? His girlfriend was saying single digits up to single digits down or something. Anyway, look, single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Wait, do we refresh? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. We got to refresh. Oh, okay. Fuck. All right, we didn't refresh. So actually, Bitcoin is at $7,546. Yeah, so I like the current numbers. You know, I like the freshest numbers. All right. Anyway, so that's not much of a change. So let's continue. Market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Sisters, dogs, cats, all of you. Look. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up, 2. Single digits down. All right. Let's look who lost money today, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Buy. Look. Oh, okay. Not many sales. Oh, the market was furious today. Look. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Silverway, Digitex Futures, Bytecoin, Educare, ABBC Coin, NEM, Single Collateral, Steam, Stellar, and ZB. Let's look who made money today. It looks like pretty much everybody. Buy. Oh, yeah. Some nice gains today, brothers. Look. Top 10 gainers of the day. Solve, Algorand, Pundix, Luna, Mindle, Maiden Safe Coin, Electronium, IXXRLC, Qtum, and Enigma. Let's look at the total market cap of the day, brothers. Should have gone up. Those are some solid gains. What the hell's going on here? All right, there we go. All right, market cap of the day. 204.9. Oops, what happened there? 204.9 billion. Oh, yeah, fuck yeah. Oh, yeah, we went up nicely. Nicely. Look. We're at a market cap of 204.9 right now. When I left you yesterday, we were at a market cap of 191.2. So we just went up. Or we just go up. Right? We just went up, was that 13 billion? All right. Yeah. Around 13 billion. Nice. I mean, let's see if we sustain this. Or if this is just a happy Thanksgiving gift. Look, total volume, 24-hour volume of the day is 72.2 billion. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Holy, we did fly. 72.2 billion. And when I left yesterday, we were only at 64.4. So that's a, let's just call that $8 billion rise in volume on the day. And so, let's just see if we sustain this. If we sustain this, you know, it could just be a, I don't know, Thanksgiving joy. I don't know what, but we'll see. We'll see if we sustain it. I'd like to. Yes, I would like to see some sustained growth. Look, brothers. Let's get on to our show. Bye. Neil collaborates with TomoChain. All right. We'll talk about this. Full disclosure, I own some Neo. Fuck, I bought that shit way back in the days, man. Way back. Actually, until we read that story the other day, we read the story about Neo doing the partnership with what was that shit? What was that crap? Anyway, man. What was that, though? Anyways, they did something. We talked about it the other day because they mentioned it at the end of the article. And I'm like, oh, yeah, we talked about it. Yeah. Until I read that, I forgot that I even owned I forgot that I even owned it. It's like on one of my, my ledgers in my safety deposit box. I was like, oh, yeah. Well, that's a keeper. I'm going to keep that. Look, so Neo collaborates with TomoChain. Like I told you, Q1 next year, full portfolio juggle. Full big major portfolio juggle. All right, brothers and sisters. There's a new collaboration in town as Neo pairs with TomoChain. This partnership will leverage the strength of both parties to help build the crypto ecosystem. All right. According to a report by Neo, the two companies will host many events together. These will be directed at educating and encouraging users interested in developing apps both on Neo and TomoChain. This collaboration aims to put an end to the current issues surrounding blockchain technologies. For instance, developers will no longer need to function as both distributors and builders. It will also create a unique ecosystem, one that will exhibit the potential in the blockchain industry. This ecosystem will also support projects that cut across the blockchain platform. Though filled with endless possibilities, blockchain tech is still in a neophyte stage. As I always say, the embryonic stages. This collaboration will help bring it closer to our everyday life, and it will help attract new and talented users into the ecosystem. All right, we're just going to breeze through this, though. Speaking of the partnership, Director of EC Growth at NGD, John Wang, said, there's a need to adopt blockchain to improve the way it facilitates trade-grade adoption. I am very confident that our united strengths will further empower developers while taking us closer to the smart economy of the future. Blah, blah, blah. Neo's an open source platform, blah, blah, blah. TomoChain, on the other hand, is created on a performance-based platform, blah, blah, blah. All right. So anyways, look. Oh, this was the thing. Neo is definitely on a roll with several new Oh, that's what we read, right? Neo, they did the partnership with Ledger the other day, right? Yes, that's what it was. Let me see. Why isn't it written down here? Right? Yeah, so Neo's doing some stuff. And as you can see, I like to take notes. And as you'll see from my trade journals, you'll understand why I kick so much ass. Look, gotta be thorough. Oh yeah, and you gotta be deadly serious. You'll see. Stick around for after the show. And you want to really kick ass. I'll show you what it's about. Look, you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. All right, Neo lovers. Look, Neo hodlers. Look. So it's not really an onboarding. It's like they're just doing this thing where the developers and that'll get to build stuff on these. But it's a collaboration and it's a partnership. And like I said, there wasn't anything to talk about, So, bang. There we go. Bang. Now, Bakkt. Volume soars to 38 million. Hits all-time highs before the holidays. Now, the reason I bring this up is, we talked about Bakkt yesterday. Right? And but it reached new highs today. As you can see, look at this was at 1 a.m. this morning this came out. On November 28th. Yeah, that's right now. November 28th. Right now it's 9:49 in the morning. Yeah, I slept in. I figured who's going to give a fuck? Everyone's going to go to Thanksgiving anyway. Probably not even going to watch this. Wow. I don't know. We'll see. But look, 7 hours ago, I know European brothers, and that's why I made sure to do it though in the morning. So that's why we're reading this now. But also, wait, what was I going to say to you guys? Oh, yes, that's right. So look, this is pure speculation. I'm just going to repeat what I've heard, okay? So I'm just being a parrot right now. Do I believe this or not? I don't know. But it seems like they're at the end of every month, the CME futures, they have a monthly futures. It seems like prices make a dramatic move at the end of every month. And some people are saying that, wow, look, I don't believe this. So why are you saying it then? Anyways, just people are saying that with I believe this part, Bitcoin going down to 7G and the expiration of the CME futures, people are buying in right now. Right? Remember I was telling you the other day, I think maybe 7Gs, we'll see. But I think 7Gs might be the new floor. We'll see if it is. I mean, I don't know if it is, but I'm just from looking at, remember I was looking at the little cards, and it seems like around 7Gs is when you have the buying pressure, right? That's where support and resistance, if you want to look at it from a trading standpoint, it looks like that's where support is. And resistance at about 9. And so I'm just saying, that's what I just think. I mean, I don't know for sure, but I wouldn't be surprised to see prices, bouncing off of 7 and, a little harder to get through that 9. We went through the psychological supportive area of support and resistance, the round numbers, the 10,000, right? Bang, we went up to 14, but then collapsed again. And, and I think that collapse from the 14 down to what did we go down to 7 again was weak hands. Right, weak hands jumped in again, got crushed. And I think 7 is the floor where there's no more weak hands below 7. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. But I just think that. All right, guys. So look. All right. Look. Bakkt volume soars to 38 million. Hits all-time highs before the holidays. So it looks like actually, though, the Bakkt physically settled futures, they are starting to ramp up nicely a little bit, right? Like they're no way in comparison to the CME cash settled futures, but I mean they keep gaining ground, right? Week by week, it keeps gaining ground. Yes, that's all you can ask for, man. That's all you can ask for. So look, brothers. Hold on, let me get a sip and then we'll proceed. Yeah, that's all you can ask for. I mean, like I said, man. We're just in the embryonic stages, and so it's just nice to see, like I said the other day, or yesterday, I think, when I told you one of the brothers was kind of like, oh, man, I know, fuck this crypto. Look, it's nice to see regulations, investment vehicles, even talk of regulation investment coming online every day. You know what I mean? Like watching it grow. Now I know the frustration. Like I said, I know the frustration. Obviously, we want to be rich now, but that ain't going to happen. So, but it's good to see that, well, we're going to get there one day. Right? It's nice to see the growth. As long as there's steady growth, well, cheer up, buddy. You're going to get to the promised land one day. You know what I mean? And what would suck, is just if nothing was going on. But there's slow, steady growth going on. And, yeah, that's what just it should give you confidence and just, stop thinking about when, just keep thinking about, or just keep being happy about every time there's a new investment vehicle, or every time there's a new regulation, or every time there's a new something. I'm about to read you something right now about India. Bang! 1 in 5 on Earth. Bang! Look, brothers. Your crypto is all good. Here comes India, and here comes China. Look, all right, let's read this shit, and let's get over to the India and China stuff. Come on, let's get to the money. That's why I left that one for last. I'm going to leave you on Thanksgiving with a big old pile of money floating in your head. Look. I love it. I can be like a maestro, orchestrate how I make the people feel. Look, Bakkt is at it again, brothers. Volatility is the bread and butter of the cryptocurrency industry. Well, of any industry. Well, for traders. And institutional investors are having a feast. I know it says a feat, but I'm sure they meant a feast. Bakkt, the digital asset platform of the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, has seen its volumes soar, bang, to yet another high after it surged over 38.74 million with the trading day still in progress. So do you remember back in the days when Bakkt first started? We were reading about, Bakkt had a trading volume of, $3 million. Like $3 million in one day. Like just really pathetic numbers, right? And so here we are, right? It's at 38. So 10 times from the beginning of the year. Well, the beginning of the launch of this thing, not the year. When did this thing launch again? Oh, was it September something, yeah? Anyway, whatever it did, man. I remember it was a few months ago, Q3 sometime. And so bang, 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 we're seeing growth, right? And that is a beautiful thing. So, brothers, sisters, look, from the looks of it, institutional investors are eager to get their physically delivered Bitcoin futures in the bag before logging off for the Thanksgiving weekend, as the 27th November, the day before the last Thursday of the month, saw over 5,100 Bitcoin worth of contracts traded. Bang! Remember we were looking at them? We were looking at that chart? Yeah, like 1,000 something was the highest. And so shit just went all crazy. And that's what I think. I think that 7,000, when things get to around 7,000, I think that's where institutional investors have set their floor now. And they're just bang, bang, bang buying at 7, right? Because the floor keeps going up. It's called support. So support and resistance. Support is where, an asset reaches a certain price. So going down, right? So it's going down, but once that asset reaches a certain price, buyers just buy in. Boom, and it gets it going up. Boom. You might have heard of something called a double bottom or a triple bottom, right? Yeah, because every time price hits that what's called support, they make the support. It becomes support because the traders decide that at that price, fuck no, I got to get in. And so what I think is that when Bitcoin's hitting 7,000, bang, they're buying in. Bang, they're buying in. Bang, they're buying in. Right? We don't know what resistance is. I think probably about the 9s. It seems like we went up, like I said, to the 14, but we haven't gone past 9 since then, since we went down here again. So, but it looks like to me, as a trader, 19-year trader, but I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, I don't know, but it seems to me that 7,000 seems to be the support of Bitcoin. They hit it, boom, 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 and they keep buying at that level. It's called buying pressure, like all markets are, are two things, greed and fear. Greed and fear. And, the big dogs, I think, I could be completely wrong, but I think the big dogs, or at least enough people with enough money in the game, figure that 7,000, that's when we get greedy again. That's the dip. We buy the dip goes to 7, bang, we buy. BTDI, bang, bang, bang. And they have enough money to keep making it bounce off of that level, which is called support. And why am I telling you that? Anyways, that's some trader shit right there. Look, good for you, brother. Learn a little something. Yes, listen carefully to this show. There's a lot of bangs and looks, but if you listen carefully, oh, fuck, you should be good to go. So look, from the looks of it, the Thanksgiving thing, right? According to Bakkt volume data, or volume bot, a daily volume tracker, Bakkt reached yet another all-time high, a 40% increase from its previous high. Based on the tracker's estimate, the volume could double its previous all-time high and reach 41 million by the close of the trading day. So this was, I guess this guy wrote this story in the middle of the trading day. Fucking moron. It would be good to find. Hold on, let me look at something. Actually, I have Bakkt. Hold on, let me look at something. How do I find out the people that I follow? Right? Like if I just want to go to, hold on just 1 second, guys. Because let's go look at the Bakkt. I want to show you the Bakkt bot right this very second. Shit. How do I get this Bakkt bot? Oh, I can just Google it or do this shit. Bakkt bot, I guess, right? There it is. Bang. All right. So let's go to the Bakkt bot. All right, guys. I know, guys. I don't use this social media and all that shit. When I use my computer, it's just to trade money and watch documentaries. I don't do all this stuff, so I'm an idiot like that. I told you, one of the brothers, Bob, had to literally show me how to get the address to a tweet that I sent when we were doing the airdrops last year. Yeah, that's how lame it is. All right, so look, 46 minutes ago, Bakkt said, oh yeah, here we go. Traded contracts, 5,671. Bang! All-time high, 5,671. Bang! All right. So there, oh, shit. So look at the chart. Look at that chart. I mean, it's probably not going to stay up there like that. Hold on. Let me get the chart plus the data so we can talk about this. Look at that. Nice. Oh, so it's never, when they say at all-time highs, they weren't fucking around. So here the, so it looks like 20.3 seems to be the previous high, and bang, 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 you doubled up nicely. Doubled up real good. I'm thinking 7,000. I'm thinking 7,000 might be the institutional investor, like I said, support. And that's how it goes with the institutions. Yeah, they rock a support. They drive prices up. And then they let it fall. That's called your retrace. Yeah, and then they build another support up higher. And then they let it go up. And then it comes down. That's called a retrace. That's why you need your Fibonacci retracement. Learn how to use it. If you can master your Fibonacci retracement tool, look, should make money. Anyway, we'll talk about that when I do my trade journals. Holy, I want to get to that because I do want to show you guys that. If you want to be pros, I'm going to show you this, and you'll be fucking masters. Actually, you can probably download these now. Back in the days, they didn't, like back when I first started trading, they didn't have, the internet was kind of new. I mean, 2008 wasn't new, but, newish. But anyway, back to Bakkt. Bang! Look at that volume. Look at that. So that's a beautiful thing, guys. And so you can see, right, it started out real slow. Look at over here. It was all shitty. Right, and then boop, boop, boop. Right, and then boop, boop, boop. And then bang! What's the catalyst? What's the catalyst for that major increase right there? That's what I want to know. I know. I was saying, it's Thanksgiving. Who gives a shit? Eating turkey doesn't make people buy an asset. What was the catalyst for this double up right here? Yeah, man. Institutional investments. Institutional guys. Here they come. They're going to make this place real. Look. All right, where are we going here? Where are we at? All right, guys, let's continue. And so, oh, wait, what is it? Hold on. One second. Let's go back 1 second. Oh, yeah. So you see, when the guy wrote it, it was only at today's volume. See, when he wrote it, the volume was at 5,157. Now that I'm showing you right here, right now, it's literally 10:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whoops. That's my logo. Bye. 5,600. From 5,100 to 5,600. Bye. Oh, yeah, guys. Here we go, brothers. So the holiday fever wasn't the only thing on the minds of investors. As expected, volatility was through the charts, given the cryptocurrency's recent movements. All right. Just last week, on 22nd November, Bakkt recorded all time. Okay, so we talked about the all-time high in Bakkt before, so we're not going to talk about that shit. Another Asia-induced bearish. All right. Fuck all that. Okay. Why did you highlight it then? Well, at the time it seemed like something to talk about. Now I realize, Shomari, settle down. All right. So another important point to note in the collective picture of Bitcoin derivatives is the role of the CME. The regulated futures exchange performed quite well with their cash-settled Bitcoin futures during the initial days of Bakkt, but soon fell back as institutional investors began understanding the custody requirements of Bakkt's product. That's another thing. Maybe that's why Bakkt is growing, right? Like, institutions, like I said, like I've read to you, like, custody in crypto is not like anything else. Guys gotta trust it and learn how it all works and all this. Like, they're not just gonna hand over $1 billion. Well, it's not handing over, but put $1 billion on your platform, or whatever amount of money, 100 million. Actually, I think Bakkt only has $175 million of insurance. So I'm not going to put $175 million on your platform, if I don't get it. Like, how is this working? That's how those guys work. And that's what I'm trying to do to you guys, with you guys, for you guys, with you guys, is show you how it works, right? Like, that's how those guys are. Like, once they see how your thing works, all right, fine. Or no, or they don't do it, But it's seeing how things work. So, oh, here it is right here. Hold on. With the CME facing another expiry on the 29th of November, tomorrow, and its relationship with the spot market well documented, an expiry of their contract could have contributed to the rise in Bakkt volumes as well. CME's volume count has been dropping since the beginning of October, with its year-to-date average of 7,237 contracts not being broken by daily volume counts on a consistent basis, barring the days when Bitcoin made a significant daily move. So they've been steady at the 7,200 blah, blah, blah range, around there. Bakkt, regardless of where it found its catalyst, in the CME or Bitcoin's volatility is going to enjoy the Thanksgiving weekend. Absolutely. Bang! Bakkt. Enjoy the weekend. You deserve it. All-time highs before the holidays. That's what you got to love, brothers. Bang! Investment vehicles growing and growing and growing. What we don't want to see, look, Bakkt when it came out, I thought it was going to be the grandiose of grandioses. Obviously, yeesh, a little disappointing. But so now that I've gotten over that disappointment, the markets have too, I'm sure. Now, as long as we just see steady growth. Yeah, all right. You're not going to grow us. You're not going to be bang like we thought. All right, you're going to get there slowly. Fine. But just keep getting there. Just keep getting there, buddy. And great. Good to go. Look. That's how we do it, brothers. All-time highs for Bakkt. Bang. Now. Bang. India. Look. We always talk about India, dog. What are you talking about, China, dog? Well, you guys who are here know. But you new people, look. Or if you just don't know. Yeah, 1 in 5 people on Earth are Indians. 1 in 5 people on Earth are Chinese. The rest of us, the blacks, the whites, the Hispanics, okay, we're just sprinkled in. Sprinkled in. Right? Like a garnish. Like when they put, you get a piece of, you go to these, like here in South, so I live in South Beach. You go to these fancy restaurants, right? You order a piece of lasagna. And they give you the lasagna, right? And then the guy will come in, he'll sprinkle some parsley on it. Well, that's what we are. We're just the parsley sprinkled on the lasagna. The Indian and Chinese lasagna. Oh, Shomari, you silly boy. Look. That's all we are, brothers. Just a garnish. It's all about the Indians and Chinese. If I was an alien and I came down to this earth, well, I'd say, well, there's more of these guys and more of these guys. They must run the place. You think so? Yeesh. Unfortunately, they wouldn't know that a Trump runs the place. They don't know how the world works. So they wouldn't understand. No. Those guys don't run it. We got a Trump running this motherfucker now. Look, brothers, though. Trump might be running it, but look. He can't stop the revolution, the blockchain revolution. Bang! So I don't give a fuck about his tweets. India potentially imitating China's focus on blockchain over Bitcoin. Exactly. And now this is what I want to explain to you. Look, guys, and I've told you this before, and now these governments are making the distinction. There are two things in this what we call cryptocurrency space. There are actual cryptocurrencies, actual blockchains that are designed to be money. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Zcash, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, right? Like, and then go on further, right? But we're not going to get it all, right? But they're designed to be money. Yeah, well, VeChain is not designed to be money. Your IOTAs are not designed to be money. Your Factums are not designed to be money. Your fucking Cardanos, your Singularity Net, Sophia is not designed. I hate that thing. Is not designed to be money. And that's the difference. And I want you to understand now that governments around the world are beginning to understand the distinction. They're beginning to understand the distinction between a crypto asset that is designed to be money and a crypto asset that is designed to be used on some blockchain somewhere to, service some industry somehow, right? Your VeChain style, your all of these other ones, right? And so, what I'm trying to say is this. I guess what I'm trying to say is this, is that China, maybe they do ban Bitcoin. Maybe they do ban Litecoin and Zcash. Yeah, but they're not going to ban your Singularity Nets, your VeChains, your IOTAs, your Stellars, your Trons, your other stuff, because those are blockchain. That's different. Countries don't want cryptocurrencies, these wannabe money things, to fuck up their economies. But as far as blockchains, DLT providers, distributed ledger technology providers, your VeChains, your Singularity Nets, your Factums, your IOTAs, yeah, they don't mind that. Of course not. Why would you mind that? And so that's what I wanted to get across, is that I really want you to start focusing on the distinction between blockchain, the real distributed ledger technology providers. I mean, I said this from the beginning of this channel, but for you new people, and cryptocurrencies, these things that are trying to be money, right? All right. So look, and so what I guess, and so one last piece of yap is what I'm trying to tell you is China and India are all in. And, China comes out with their list every month of the 35 cryptos. I'm going to stop, and that's another thing. I'm going to stop doing that bullshit, talking about shit like that. I'm going to start saying it properly. These aren't cryptos. These are distributed ledger technology providers. China comes out with their 35 list of crypto, holy crap. Distributed ledger technology providers, and they throw a few cryptos in there. I mean, blockchains in there, Bitcoin's in there, but do you see what I'm saying? So I guess what I'm trying to say is, the governments are beginning to make the distinction. Things that want to be money and things that are helping industries. All right. Let's move on, man. I'm yapping too much. Two of the most fervent countries against Bitcoin and decentralized cryptocurrency are China and India. Right. They don't want that cryptocurrency crap, but they daggone want some blockchain. With the former, however, there is still a big drive towards the implementation of blockchain, while this is less so in the latter. Until now, that is. China has been steadfast in banning ICOs, blocking access to exchanges, and even putting up the Great Firewall. India has flirted with the idea of banning cryptocurrencies, but has fallen just short, choosing instead to cut banking to any companies that work with digital assets. However, while both these countries have been strongly anti-Bitcoin, it is India that has gotten a bad rap for doing so, as its blockchain drive was never as impressive as China's. Look, I'm going to tell you a little something about India. When I was a kid, we had the tech bubble, the .com bubble. Yeah, India didn't do it. Yeah, they were the only country, and so they were 5 years behind. India has this, I don't know what it is about them, but they don't like to adopt new technologies or something for some reason. Anyway, whatever, man. Fuck these fucksticks. Well, not fuck these fucksticks. They're 1 in 5 on Earth, but as long as you guys let your blockchains work, all right, good. That, however, could be changing, as Sanjay Dotre, Minister of State for Electronics and IT, MEITY, has now said that blockchain technology is one of the important research areas having application potential in different domains such as governance, banking and finance, cybersecurity, and so on. Oh, absolutely. India building towards blockchain. Exactly. Remember that. Blockchain, not cryptocurrency. All right, cryptocurrency is on a blockchain, but that's a whole other ballgame. Trying to be some money shit. Look, no one said, fuck all that. But the blockchains, they're serious, right? The blockchains work. They're real. Blockchain usage at a high-grade enterprise level is being released across the globe, with many major enterprises and governments appreciating its potential, including China, which is probably at the forefront of blockchain adoption. You daggone right. Last year, everyone was crying about China. Oh, China banned crypto. China banned crypto. Now they're at the forefront. Settle down, brothers. Settle down. Okay? Don't worry about these bans and these. Settle down. They're all going to have to adopt this shit. Don't worry about that, brothers. Bang! We have a tsunami coming, and you can't stop it. You can't stop it. What's coming, brothers, sisters, all of you, dogs and cats. So buy your crypto. Bang! Fill the cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Fill the cryptocurrency warehouse nice. Bang! Fill the cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! With working product. Oh, yeah. Revenue generating cryptocurrency product. And let's stop talking about cryptocurrency. Let's stop using even the word. And I know I'm probably not going to. But for tonight's show, stop using the word cryptocurrency. Filled your warehouse with, bang! Revenue generating distributed ledger technology providers. Bang! There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you just got fucked up right there, son. Fill your cryptocurrency warehouse. Sorry, it's not a cryptocurrency warehouse. Fill your portfolio with distributed ledger technology providers that are generating revenue. Bang! Generating revenue. Bang! That's a strong warehouse. Bang! That's a nice warehouse. Bang! With generating distributed ledger technology providers that are generating revenue. Oh, yeah. That's how it's going to go down, brothers. We're going to start talking about shit properly around here. Yeah, we're going to start talking about shit properly around these parts. Yes, that's your Thanksgiving present. Bang! All right. It is unsurprising that India is also a nation looking to ramp up its blockchain adoption, but it still feels clear that they will be avoiding the decentralized cryptocurrency ecosystem. That is one facet of it. What? But it still feels clear. Anyways, what that means is, like I told you, yeah, the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Zcash, Dash, and shit like that, yeah, fuck all that. But your Factum, bang! Your VeChain, Bang! Oh, yeah. Those are distributed ledger technology providers. Those are blockchain providers. Your IOTA? Bang! Look, your Stellar? Bang! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, brothers. So, Dorcher said that considering the potential of blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and the need for shared infrastructure for different use cases, an approach paper on national level blockchain framework is being prepared, giving insight to a much bigger drive by the national government to be part of the blockchain revolution. They want to be part of the blockchain revolution. Now, what does that have to do with my money, Shomari? What I mean is this. Look, brothers. What I mean is this. Your V-chains, they're going to be all good in India. Your V-chains are all good in China. Yeah. When you hear about these guys, because these crypto websites describe it wrong. When you hear about them banning this and banning that, yeah, they're banning cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Zcash, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. They don't want that shit. You know, they don't want people buying Starbucks with it. Yeah, bottom line. But as far as, do they care if, someone wants to use VeChain to build, I don't know what, a smart city? No, they love it. They love blockchain. And that's why I told you in 2014 that's where the saying came from in China. Blockchain, not Bitcoin. They love blockchain. They do not like crypto, the money part, like this spending money part. But they love DLT providers. Look. And that's why we invested. We invest in DLT providers that what? Your grandmother can name some onboardings of. And when they finally open up their markets to it, to their boys to come and invest in it, man, you're going to be rich. You're going to be rich. Yeah, they're going to open up to that. Right? I mean, I have Bitcoin and Litecoin. I know they're probably not going to allow that to go down, but whatever, man. Fidelity will do that here in America, so that'll be good to go. But that's it. Right? That's it. Blockchain, not Bitcoin. They love blockchain, so don't be afraid. Don't worry about it. When you hear these stories about India and China, they love their blockchain. Remember this. VeChain is approved in China. Yeah. Government approved. Just saying. Not telling you to go buy it, but I give you my opinion. Look, India has not India has not exactly been sitting on its laurels until now with regard to blockchain. There are a number of instances where governmental organizations have already delved into the technology. Exactly. They're already implementing blockchain. They just don't like the crypto part. I mean, they don't like the cryptocurrency part. In fact, the Reserve Bank of India, which cracked down on Bitcoin, had said it is developing a banking platform built on blockchain as part of its R&D branch. And so, bang, 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 fuck that. Look, India. So here comes India. Boom. All right, let's get on it here. Bang. Hold on, let's get back to everybody. Here we go, sweetie. Happy Thanksgiving, sweetie. Yes. Bang. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Whoops. Bang. There we go. Oh, some gangster shit. Take another good hard look. She's funny. Sweetie, don't talk like that. She said some shit down here. Talk like a girl, Hiroto Kai. I don't tell anyone what to talk like. My bad. He retweeted this. What did he say? I might be in the office all day, but there are times when I need a break. So I check out Facebook and now Twitter. All right, buddy. Japanese, what does it say? Japanese business baseball. Bang. All right, buddy. Look. And there's Sweetie again. He's talking gangster talk. Fucking hilarious. Brilliant. I know people love this show. On some everyday shit. Can't miss it. Clarke. Talk like a woman. Everyday shit. Right? Like some gangster talk. Look. Chief B. Oh, that's my buddy. B Visa from the Pakuyaki tribe. Bang, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. B-Chain lovers. Hanging in there. What do we got? Oh, we got 10 people. All right, let's gather them all up here and we can get them all right now. Look. IPFS news. Stay up to date with the latest IPFS news. Updates and awesome projects in the decentralized world. Auto retweets. What does IPFS mean? Bye. See you. Bitcoin Kong. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Samar Abbas. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Rob love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Brent C. Spy Lady. I saw your comment in the YouTube. Her name is Brenda. What's her last name? I don't remember, but Spy Lady. Brent C. Brenda. Bang. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. And happy Thanksgiving, Brenda. Bang. Yes. For one of our CIA operatives. Ben love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Got you, Ronkaz. All right. Can't let Ronkaz run free. You got to get him. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What do we got? DP Soul, brother. Look. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving here in America. See you, brother. Bang. Ramses. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. Bye. Bob. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Bob is the mad. Look, he's brewing it up. He's brewing up the tincture and all the goods. He's the mad scientist over there. Mad scientist in England, Bob. Bang. Look. Oh, yeah, he's brewing it up real good over there. He's brewing up hard. He's brewing it hard and good. Look. All right, do we have anyone else? Wayne, 1, 2, 3. Bang. Edwin, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving, brother, from New Jersey. Bye. What do you say? I wonder who did it and why. Oh, the video? Some fuckstick did it because he's a Chainlink lover. That's why. Look, Poppy. Happy Thanksgiving, brother, here in Florida. Bye. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bye. What else we got? Wesley. See you, brother. I don't know. That looks like a New Orleans Saints kind of color. Well, look, if you're here in America, Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, brother. Bye. Oh, yeah, the Saints. Look, Hurricane Master. Bye. Love you, brother. Whoop. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Burke's Big Drop. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What? No one? Where's Bidium? You're not giving me any stories, motherfucker? Oh, here's some Poppy wood. What do we got? Poppy, Poloniex acquires. Oh, yeah. So, didn't Tron just buy into Poloniex? And Poloniex bought Tron Market. Yeah, we'll see what that does. Bye. Yeah. Bidium. There's Bidium. We talked about this shit yesterday, right? Look, let's get out of here. Fuck this. Let's get to Thanksgiving. Wait, how do we do it? Bye. Look. Bye. Yeah. All right, brothers. So look, we had a great show for you today. Neil collaborates with TomoChain. Oh, and I'm still going to show you the trade journals and that for those of you who want to get hardcore. Yeah, great. So they're going to, build out an ecosystem and stuff. I normally don't talk about that sort of stuff, but, well, wasn't much to talk about today, so had to do that. Bakkt, new all-time highs. Keeps growing. Slowly and slowly. What do you say? How do you say that? Slowly but surely. Oh, hey, that's what I meant to say. Slowly but surely. It's growing. And so, yeah, remember December 9th, they're coming out with their options. And then they said they're coming out with their, in December 2, they said they're coming out with their what was that? Oh, the cash settled futures. So we'll see. All good stuff. All gravy, baby. Bang, bang, bang. We need investment vehicles. All right. I'd like to see some from a few other countries, though. You know what I mean? Europe, looking at you. Oh, Britain. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Look. All right. And then India blockchain initiative. And like I said, you have to decipher between between blockchain and cryptocurrency. There's a difference between Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Dash, and VeChain, IOTA, Singularity Net, Factum. A big difference. Big difference. And so while India doesn't want that, neither does China, they're not down with these cryptos, with blockchains that are trying to be currencies, cryptocurrencies. They are down with blockchains that are just being blockchains, providers of services, right? So that's amazing. That's amazing. That'll get your VeChain bought. All right. All right, and that's it. So I'm going to show you by the trade deal right now, but the trade journals right now. But if you don't give a fuck about that, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me your home. And if you're American, have a very Merry Thanksgiving. Do you say Merry Thanksgiving? It's Merry Christmas, isn't it? Anyways, have a great Thanksgiving. Eat up, fill up, you fat pig. And I'll see you tomorrow. I love you, America. Bye. All right. My name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. So stick around because I'm going to show you the thing. Let me just give them the thing. All right. So my name's Shomari Clarke. Always on duty. Over and out. Bye. But look, I'm still here. Look. Bye. Oh, right back, baby. All right. Now let's talk money, motherfuckers. Let's just get into some daggone money. So look. So I did dig up. We're done with that crypto crap. Shit right there. So I did dig up some old trade journals. Fuck. Yo, these are old as fuck. This one right here. This is one from... Can you guys see? That's what the thing is. All right, let me... Hold on. But that camera does that. Oh, I can do this, though. Hold on 1 second. Oh, yeah, I can grow it. There we go. So it's going to look all fucked up. But anyway, this is going to be a better camera so I can put it right in your face. Well, I mean, so you can see it. And so these are called trade journals, all right? And so a trade journal consists of lots of stuff. Oh, yeah, it's very thorough. The date. So let me just show you one, man. Fuck. Let's just describe one. So this is a trade journal from April 29th, 2008, before the housing crash. And so this is a trade that I lost. Yes. You lose trades, dog? Everyone loses trades, fuckstick. There's no such thing as a person who doesn't lose trade. I'm just going to get this window for you. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is a trade I lost. So you can see it says, why did I exit? Right? Because I got stopped out. Right? I got caught in a fake out. Right? So you tell everything of your trades on your trade. Oh, I'm talking right here. On your trade journal. I'm looking up here and still back here. On your trade journal, so that you can chart what you're doing and how well you're doing it. Like, you have to be brutally honest with yourself. Yeah, so it got stopped out, fucker. Got caught in a fake out. And then why? Hold on a second. Yeesh, my nose got itchy. So, right? So, and I have a section here called, what did I learn, right? What I learned. You see, it says, I learned. And I said it, I learned. I cheated. I did not wait for the continuation in, hold on, let me read it to you. I did not wait for the continuation. Instead, I set a limit order in my impatience and greed, right? And so you write. So that's what happened. But so let me show you more though. So you see these little categories up here. So you put in what price did I enter? What price did you enter the trade at? Right at 2.0758. Where's your stop loss at? You put your stop loss down. You put your target, your price target 1 was 2.0859, right? You put your price targets down. Right? You put your what's called the ADR, your average daily range. How much does that move a day, right? So this was 260. The net was 162, so it only had moved 162 pips that day. So there was still room to make money. What type of trade, right? Hold on, I don't know. I mean, you know what I mean? Just do whatever you got to do. You know, pause this video, zoom it in, all that kind of crap. I know you guys have all this stuff. What style of trade was this? Was this a London Open breakout? Was this a pattern breakout? Or was it a swing trade? So you could see I circled swing. Was it a forced trade? In other words, it wasn't really ripe. I just forced it? No. Was it long or short? Long. Were there any long-term conflicts? In other words, man, I wish I could show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys one here. So, but I'm going to just show you this trade, then I'll show you one that's blank, and then you can do it for yourself, right? Were there any what else are we at? Blackout times. Those are when there's a lot of news coming out, so you don't enter the trade during 2 hours before or 2 hours behind that blackout time. My levels of confluence. What levels of confluence did I have? Did I have support and resistance? Did I have trend? Did I have Fibbo? Did I have previous breakout? Did I have the round numbers? So in this trade, I had the trend, the Fibbos, and the round numbers. And then I gave myself a little note right there. Watch the ADR. Watch the average daily range, right? Because we were already 162 into the 210 daily range, right? And then it asks, why did I enter? So, why did I enter? So you just answer. Why did you enter this? So I said, a good looking even on daily. Huge uptrend. All the levels of confluence are good. It's been up past these support resistance before. News blackout complete. Perfect setup. Well, with ADR, 101 pips versus 162 pips. Everything pointed up. So I wrote, why did I take the trade? That you have to have a reason. The play-by-play. So I wrote what happened during the trade at 2:31 a.m. I entered the trade at 4:27 a.m. It was meandering sideways. At 5:12 a.m., I wrote, this is going to be a long trade. Estimated finish time equals 1 day from today. So the next day is when I thought I was going to cash out of it, all right? But then I didn't cash out because it says right here, why? So it said, why exit, right? So the question is, why did you exit the trade? So usually it should be because I hit price targets. But unfortunately for me on this trade, well, because I got stopped out. Ouch. Got stopped out on that one. Got caught in a fake out. That's why you have to wait for the breakout. All of you guys who are doing the Hector, the breakout, the pullback, just believe me. Just enter low, wait for that continuation, and you'll make your money. When you do stuff like me, what I just did, yeah, well, that's what you get. You get what? Yeesh. Stopped out in a fake out. And so I should have written, and then I wrote, I should have written, report last night, chasing a few pips is a no-no. So I gave myself I gave myself a tongue lashing, right? I chased those pips. It was already at an ADR. The ADR was 260, and it already moved 160. Or sorry, how much was it? 162. I shouldn't have chased the move. I shouldn't have chased it, but I did. That's what happens. So what did I learn? So you're right. What did you learn? I learned I cheated. I did not wait for the continuation. Instead, I set a limit order in my arrogance, impatience, and greed. I'm hard on myself. I don't fuck around. Questions. What is structural positioning or building structural positions? Oh, that's just some bullshit I was thinking of. And then like here, like I gave a big star, wait for breakout, pull back. So that's what a trading, hold on, let's go here. That's the level. Okay, motherfuckers, you want to be a fucking professional? That's what it is. We chart our shit and we're brutally honest with ourselves, right? And I have more. This one I made money at. Should have showed you that one, actually. Why am I showing you the one I lost money? Whatever, man. It's the truth. You lose some, you win some. But that's what it should look like. And so I'm going to show you sort of a blank one so that, I mean, if you want to do one yourself at home, for you who did the Hector Trader stuff, I think he gives you templates, doesn't he? I don't remember, but I don't know why, but I learned about trade journals before I learned about Hector, and so I just did my own from hand. Like I said, I was broke as a motherfucker, so I had to do them by hand. So let me show you. All right, let's see here. That's a trade journal. So let's see. There we go. So today, the average daily range was 278. I was trading the British pound against the Swiss franc that day. The net, what is it? Net potent. Oh, net potential was 121 pips right there. This was Tuesday, April 28th, 2008. And that's, like I said, the British pound against the Swiss franc. Trading style, so you'd put what style are you doing, right? Force, yes or no, like I read to you just a second ago. Type, are you going long? You just, circle it. Are you going short? You circle it. Why did I enter? So you write why you entered. Your confirmations, why did you do it? What confirmed to you that it was a good trade? Was it a head and shoulders? Was it, just a basic price pattern breakout? Whatever. Play, what? Oh, the play-by-play. So while you're doing your in-trade management, you actually write what you've done. Like I read to you at 3 a.m. I did this. At 5 a.m. I did that. Why did you exit the trade? So because of price, you hit price targets, or did you get stopped out? So the one I showed you, I got stopped out. That wasn't good. Oh, after exit. What is the after exit? I haven't done these for so long. Oh, right. So your after exit analysis. So that means after you've exited, you write an analysis of the full trade. Like what happened, your in-trade management, did everything go smoothly, blah, blah, blah. So that's your after exit analysis. What have you learned? So, what have you learned? Blah, blah, blah. Questions. So for instance, this one with the questions was the one I showed you that I lost. My questions were, what is structural positioning or building structural positions? Today I lost money for the same reason as yesterday. Trying to catch more pips when I should have. So anyways, I had a few questions, and then what have I learned? And then obviously your total gains and losses, how much did you win and lose? Your errors, so you write your errors. Your corrections, so you're going to write what did you do wrong, but then your corrections, what do you do to not do that again? And then this is more in-trade stuff. Your long-term conflicts, yes or no. Your ADR is good or yes or no. Average daily range, good yes or no. News blackout times. If there's some heavy news, obviously, if the Americans are going to do their interest rates for that day, well, fuck no, you don't trade that day, fuckstick. You wait till they announce. And then level of confluence. So support and resistance, right? Support and resistance, trend. What with Fibonacci levels? Counter trend. Is there a counter trend going on? Previous. What the fuck? Anyways, in the round numbers, what does BO stand for? I haven't done this in so long, I don't even remember anyway. And then the round numbers, right? Remember I taught you about round numbers, psychological area, support and resistance. And so there you go, guys. And so that's what a trade journal. Yes, you got to write all that, Shomari. Yes, you fuckstick. You want to make money? Yeah, that's why I murder it. Look, brothers. It's all in the details, boys. You want to make money at this? Yeah, it's work. I mean, I talk to you guys. Your little worker bees. Yeah, well, you don't think I work? This is work. You don't just open a chart. All these fucksticks out here who just open some chart and start trading some craziness, they're morons. Do not ever listen to them. Okay? Do not ever listen to them. You ask a motherfucker, yo, show me your last 5 months of trade journal. If he doesn't have that, he's a fucking fake. He's a fake, a phony. He's a phony. I know, that's what it's going to take. You who've been looking at the Hector stuff, there's been a few of you, Sweetie, and a few more of you. Yeah, that's what you got to do, but you learn, right? Because, right, I used to do these at the beginning. Look at them. They're by flipping hand, right? And, once you fill them in, yeah, well, you trade for a month, and then you go back, and you see how it says, like, this is the part that I like. My favorite part of the trade journal is what I learned. What I learned, right? What did you learn? And you'll find that it's always because you fucked up. And so you stop fucking up. You'll stop taking trades when you're not supposed to, right? And it refines you. I mean, let's get real. It refines you, right? And it gives you, it refines you and it makes you an elite trader. You want to be elite? That's what it has to do. I'll show you right now. Yeah, on the back of the paper, I'll show this fucksticks right now. Bang, yeah. Hold on, where is that? Oh, here it is. So that was the trade journal, right? Bang, 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 I got stopped out. Yeah, but what did I do? Yeah, I still have more stuff on the back I'm talking to myself about. Notes. See, it says, notes. Right, what did I say? Yeah, I've been watching this thing for the past few hours, and I'm so tempted to jump in. It's rocketed up 250 pips already. Everything looks good. And then I put an arrow sign, great, from the daily on down. But it's an 800 plus pip move I'm looking for at yesterday's 100 pip hours bar were common. I don't want to get caught in a fake out. So I'm going to wait for the breakout pullback continuation. Always, you guys who've done the Hector thing, you know about that. Always do that. Believe me, every time I don't do that, I get burned. Well, I don't do that anymore. But when you first start, you will. You will. Don't worry. You'll get a few counts blown. Yes, welcome to the club. Besides, the true high is just being broken anyways. I can wait for the breakout, pullback continuation off that for a more sure signal. First time trading on long 4-hour time charts. Pay the 7 pips. It's better than paying 100 plus. Take profits. It's better to win $4 than lose $8. Oh, $400 than to lose $800. Continues and the news comes at perfect time. Let's see how this goes. And so That's the kind of level, right? That's a trade journal. That's a complete trade journal. If you want to pause the video or whatever and look at, that's a complete one. That's what the fuck it looks like. Right? Yeah, for every trade. That's what you do. Every trade, keep a nice little journal, and then just yap to yourself like notes, right? Like I do yapping. I mean, we yap here, but you know, that's more the professional trading. But you just kind of give yourself just what were you thinking, and you know, it's more of this. The back of the page is what I did is more of just of a loose yelling at myself to to wait for the breakout, the pullback, and the continuation. All right, and so yeah, that's a trade journal, folks. Right there. There you go. That's what, whenever you do a trade, well, let me tell you something right now. On Wall Street, yeah, when they do a trade, that's what the trader hands into his boss. Here you are, boss. Yeah, so the boss can evaluate, right, his performance. It's not just about the money. It's about your decision-making and other stuff. And that's it. All right? So look, brothers and sisters. Bang! Go have a great Thanksgiving. I'm glad I could show you that, man. That's old. This is from this one. The one that I lost. I should have showed you the one that I won. What an asshole. I'm an idiot. I should have made it sound like I was the best in the world. Well, I am the best in the world. Look, I'm the greatest in the multiverse. But you lose trades, man. Everyone does. So fucking don't worry about it. But that's what the trade journal should look like. Right? Dang on. Let me even put it closer. There you go, brothers. Let's get it right up in there. There you go. There you go. Let me show you from the top. Well, and then boom, boom, boom. That's what a trade journal looks like. Yes, except the sloppy writing, but still a good setup. Look, that's how it goes, brother. So I'm glad you had enjoyed this. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's chill it and kill it. I mean, it's already chilled and killed. But look, let's chill it again, fuck sticks. Haha. Bye. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. Bang. I love talking money. Love talking crypto. This, bang, is bang, the favorite, bang, time of my day. And I'm so glad that I can actually show you guys, the Forex guys who've actually been doing it, what a trade journal should look like. This is one that's been filled out. Bang. And that's what your blank one should look like. And by the end of your trade, it should be filled with a lot of scribblings and scrabblings and learning for you so you can make money going forward to be successful at this. Not some moron that makes a couple trades and thinks he's a trader. Nope. But a motherfucker who makes 7 out of 10 trades, bang, with a 2% trade and a 3-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, bang, and a good trade journal, you'll be well on your way, folks. So look, you're welcome. That's your Thanksgiving present from Shomari. Thank you for having me home, and I'll see you tomorrow. I will. Yeah, look, this will probably be way late. There'll be much drinking and smoking today, brothers. Much. I'm not even going to bullshit you. So look, and I hope there's much for you too. So until then, brothers, love you guys. Bye. Have a good one. Bye. It's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Bye. Yeah. Over and out.